How to check Facebook Reels monetization eligibility. If you want to earn money from Facebook, you need to be eligible to earn money. So you can always check your eligibility for monetization by going on Facebook and make sure that you're signed in your page. After you're logged in on your page, simply tap on the three horizontal bar over here. Now simply tap on the professional dashboard over here. Now here you'll find monetize option over the top. Simply tap on it. As you can see, I am not yet eligible now to earn money, but there are a lot of ways that you can earn. Over time, you'll unlock more and more feature. So if you want to find out how, simply tap on some of the ways over here. So tap on stars. It shows that I have made 2 of 4 criterias. So how do I earn the other 2 criteria? Simply tap on here. Now here you'll see the basic requirements. Now I need to reside in an eligible country. Yes, I do, and I'm at least 18 years old, and I am. So that's why I'm eligible for 2 criteria. But I need to have 500 followers, and I need to maintain 500 followers for 30 days. If you do that, then you will be eligible to see your monetization, and your monetization will be shown over this page. If you want to try out other ways, there are subscription basis, and this is also not yet available. They are working on making it available to all creators, and they will let us know when it becomes available. And if you want to be notified, simply tap on notify me over here, and notification reminder has been set. Once you become eligible, they will send you information. And if you want to submit an interest form for content monetization, you can always tap on here and submit your interest by simply filling out this form. And that's it, guys. In this way, you'll be able to check your Reels monetization eligibility and see how much you'll earn over here in this professional dashboard page. Thank you for watching this video.